If you want lots of crispy edges, go with a spiral cut ham. But this recipe works for boneless or regular bone-in too. Get it out of the packaging. If it comes with a packet of glaze, throw it out. We're gonna make a way better one. If the ham has a flat side, put it flat side down in a roasting pan lined with foil for easier cleanup. Cover it with foil to keep it moist. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour while you make that glaze by melting a quarter cup of butter with 3/4 of a cup of marmalade, a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and some thyme sprigs, or a 1/4 teaspoon dried. Stir until it simmers, then take it off the heat. Remove about a half a cup to save for the very end. After the first hour, spread on about half of the glaze from the saucepan. Keep cooking the ham covered with foil while basting with more glaze or pan juices every 15 to 20 minutes for another 45 to 60 minutes for a 7-pound ham, or until the internal temperature is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest out of the oven still covered with foil for 30 minutes. The temperature will rise to the safety recommendation of 140 degrees Fahrenheit in that resting time. Brush the ham with a reserved glaze, getting it everywhere. The coriander with the orange is going to wow you, and you want it all over. Roast the ham uncovered at 475 degrees Fahrenheit until the glaze bubbles and caramelizes, about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, this ham already rested, so you don't have to wait again. Carve it immediately or carry it just like that to the table.